Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to enable focus mode in Windows Terminal. Focus mode is a built-in option on the Windows Terminal app. When the focus mode is activated or enabled in the Terminal app, it automatically hides tabs and the title bar located at the top part, including maximize, minimize, and close buttons. That means you will see only the main window to focus on the content. According to your needs, you can turn on or off the focus mode in Windows 11 or 10 Terminal app. How to enable or disable focus mode in the Windows Terminal. To turn on or off focus mode in Windows Terminal app on Windows 11, first, open Windows Terminal by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting the Terminal or Terminal Admin option. When the Terminal app opens, press the Ctrl+Shift+P hotkey. This will open the Command Palette panel. Here, type Toggle Focus Mode. Click on the Toggle Focus Mode to activate the focus mode. When you want to disable focus mode, again hit the Ctrl+Shift+P hotkey. Type Toggle Focus Mode. Click on the Toggle Focus Mode to switch to normal mode. Goodbye. See you in the next video.